That's it, and then allow with your hand. The art of trotting jumps is to keep the horse supple and to keep coasting all the way to the jump. Slow down. Keep coasting. Better. Keep coasting. Keep coasting. That's it. This time, land and turn right in canter. Okay, and then canter all three. Okay? In the turn, in the air over the first one, don't go up and back with your hand. That's way too fast for this exercise. Sit down. Where are you going? Circle. You missed the turn. Turn is between the boxes. Okay? Wait for it. Wait. Look. Good. Whoa. Oh. Quite good. All right. Very good. Walk.